with Holy 10.
Baba Ju.
And Buran. Was that why? You know, collaborate one for different reasons, in fact. And Holy 10 is popular, whether we like it or not. And the power. And this is more industry music. It's got power. And so, can I need power in industry music? And Diana Munaska de Muna and indeed collaborate. About it, Bozy a Munaninga to Poji, Frigi, Mukano, Musicano, only one. Even get a song Holy 10. Show my only sorry, show Holy 10. In Indian Deca, and go look at on one of the coins. I'm with show in our school. And I collaborate tonight. I don't want to rope for my song and get a taste. Pasho party. And got on looking at it 5,000, 10,000 people. What am I DJ by radio presenter? And those hot Palaba in chat one salary, but salary and no coach. Check a question to radio station act. Karabunda is on 500. It was going to say, Ungaris and Digger. Sakunamuno, and Garambe, Kushanda, Nemuna, powder. Even business, like the weakness, I'm going to scanners. I'm going down and anybody out there. Gudemuna, was Bushem to out zero. And the Tanga words. So I'm never going to walk down.
Collaborate and Holy 10, you put an open gun.
Eh, any power. In Yam, they would any power.